Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add savings account on Lloyds app. Start by opening the Lloyds Mobile Banking app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in using your username, password, or biometric login if it is enabled. Now tap on the option labeled Apply. This is where you can explore new products offered by Lloyds Banking Group. After tapping Apply, you will see different categories. Look for the option called Savings and tap on it. You will now be shown a list of available savings accounts. These may include options like an Easy Saver or a Club Lloyd Saver. Take your time to read through the options so you can choose the account that best fits your needs. Once you have decided, tap on the savings account you want to open. The app will guide you through the application process step by step. You will need to provide some details, such as confirming your personal information and choosing how you want to manage the account. Carefully follow each instruction shown on the screen. Make sure all the information you enter is correct before moving to the next step. At the end of the process, review your application. If everything looks good, submit it through the app. You should then receive a confirmation that your savings account application has been received or approved. Thanks for watching.